So I'm giving up. Throwing in the towel. I quit. I spent the last year working on this app. My dead man switch. To save my pets. This one. If I just happen to, did you see it down there? It's lurking down there. If I die in my sleep, I want to have some kind of automated notification go out to alert my friends before my pets start to suffer and want to drink my blood and eat my flesh and crunch on my bones. This, I imagine, will detract from the retail value of the house. Something inside me tells me this. So, I don't know what to do. You see, what happened was after mucho investigation, turns out that Google itself has taken away developers' abilities to use full screen intent around Android 10. You could no longer launch a full screen with your app. People worried about click jacking. I guess I don't know what that all entails. Me, I never got too far past. Well, I got my settings map that shows my name. That's my. Was very successful with a room database. I was successful in getting map to work. Here's the map. That's where I live. Everybody come see me. I was successful in getting ad mob test ad banner to play across the top here. Some of these fragments I had to holy cow, look at all that red. No wonder it'll never work. But a lot of that is this one R. If we import the property R, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these 6 of them go away. Got cocoa, chains of fools. Go! Why are you still red? Now you're purple. Now you're italicized a bit. You're leaning over drunkardly. That's fine. Look. My navigation logic. I spent the last year fighting ChatGPT to leave this goddamn stuff alone. It kept deleting it. So by the time I'd paste in its code in my app, it would fail because there's no way to navigate around it anymore. It just was one big kind of a clusterfuck. What's this ID? Rename reference. So I don't know what to do that up. Set up navigation buttons. What is wrong with my navigation buttons? There should be nothing wrong with my navigation buttons. Navigation buttons work fine. Oh, look at that. Here's the big problem, though. Could never get this red timer to start counting down after the black timer counted down. And actually, the trick that I tried to get ChatGPT to understand was As soon as this one starts, this one should start too. But this one will only run like 3 hours. That's your grace period for you to swipe, swipe. It was proof of life. Nobody knows. Everybody's happy. Your pets are happy. Your friends are happy. Everybody's happy. Except the developer, because I cannot do my swipe. And I cannot, at this moment, I have no known workarounds. I've been able to manage to get some sort of elaborate drop-down notification when I set the importance to very high. Look at all these, all this red. Drawable. I'm not going to rename Drawable. See, I don't even know what's going on with my own app. Just because I set it aside for a week or so, now it's got all this red crap all over it. Project update recommended. Start to AGP. Selected steps. Maybe that'll help things. I don't know. So my next project is to learn how to use Compose. After I got a bunch of XML under my belt, now it's Compose time. Got a little something built. Not much. Yeah, and in the meantime, my desktop is dying. I've got a bad sector on my hard drive, and any day now it's just going to give up the ghost. The hard drive is $20, if you can believe it, but there's not a serial connector, so I could clone the old drive while it's still alive. I have to put the new drive in blank and raw, and I have no peripherals. It's this teeny little box of something you might see in a doctor's office. It's not got a CD player. So how do I load Windows? I have to use something called boot CD, boot USB. Boot US Windows installer. On a little boot USB port. Get to see if this actually pans out for me. $20 saves my computer. Wish me luck. In the meantime, well, happy coding.